Good day everyone, I am Maria Donna L. Sundaan and my topic is all about performance measurement and evaluation. Performance measurement evaluation play a vital role in ensuring that work system and facility layout improvement are effective by establishing clear indicators, collecting data, and analyzing results. Organization can determine whether the initiative will lead to better productivity, efficiency, and service quality. In public administration, performance measurement help government offices check if their programs and services are effective. Learning objective. The first one is develop key performance to measure the impact of work system and facility layout improvement. And the second one is collect and analyze data to track performance and identify areas for further improvement. And the last one is evaluate the overall success of improvement initiatives and make recommendation of future projects. Components. Key performance indicator. Key performance indicator, selecting metrics that align with organizational goals and objectives. So, for example, sa City Hall, sa una, 1 hour ang processing sa barangay clearance. Human sa improvement, nahimo na lang din siya og 20 minutes. So, dili din makita sa key performance evaluation nga mas paspas ang public service. Purpose of key performance indicator are track performance over time, and measure progress toward goals, also support decision making and identify problem areas. And next is data collection. Data collection is dili na rin ang gathering data on key performance indicator using the various method like surveys, observation, and reports. Example ani is kuan ang LGU nangolekta og citizen satisfaction survey para tan-awon kung nalipay ba ang katawhan sa bag-ong serbisyo sa healthcare. Mana siya. And then the purpose is the importance of data collection is kung siya ga-provide siya og factual basis for evaluation and kung siya help to identify patterns or problems. And the last one is kung siya ga-ensure siya sa decision making are evidence-based. Ano siya. And then next is data analysis. So data analysis kay kung siya dari na din ang interpreting data to track performance and identify trends. Data analysis kay kung siya, data is analyzed to see if services is improved. Next is evaluation. Evaluation is kung siya, assessing the overall success of improvement initiatives and making recommendation for future project. Example is kanang gi-evaluate sa mayor ang emergency response team o makita gikan sa 15 minutes nahimo na lang din siya og 7 minutes ang response pasabot epektibo ang system. Ang importance sa evaluation is ensure accountability, help maintain continuous improvement, guide future decision making, confirm if resources are used effectively. In conclusion, performance measurement and evaluation are essential for ensuring that work system and facility layout improvement leads to meaningful results through proper key performance indicator, accurate data collection, systematic analysis, and effective evaluation. Organization can continuously enhance efficiency, productivity, and service quality. That's all. Thank you.